All right, today we're going to bring a single serve coffee maker. Now this one has for two options. You have for your own grind. If you grind your own coffee, you can do that. Or if you have a K-cup, it's perfect for that. Now this is a single cup, all right? There is a line here indicating maximum of water. If you can see the max, where it says max. Now this is, like I said, two different options you can have. So let's go ahead and put it to the test and see how it works. But prior to using it, make sure you clean it out. We ran a couple of water in there, heat water, just water by itself, 1 or 2 times, just to make sure that all the dust and particles are out, and also make sure you keep it, maintain it by opening this and cleaning, make sure it's all nice and clean. Now, depending on the K-cup or the actual grinder, they both cycle through here. So we're going to test it out and see how it works. On the bottom, there's actually a retainer here where you get the excessive water or drippings. You can just remove that and clean that out too. Now, in the light's indicating it's getting ready to start. Like I said, capsule or ground. So right now we're going to do a capsule to test it out. Once it's completed, you go grab your K-cup here, if you guys can see it, and dispose of it properly. All right, just make sure you, for maintenance, just make sure you clean this part up. And also remember, there's a needle here and a needle inside that you got to make sure it's cleaned up. All right, so once you do that, if you want to rotate it, you can always use your own coffee. It doesn't have to be the K-cups, which is a great option. So very simple, easy to use, very quiet. I hope you guys enjoy the video.